As shown in this photograph are the parts of the digestive system. At the top is the mouth, which actually isn't shown on the photograph, but this is also known as the buccal cavity, and this is the site of digestion. This is where we chew our food, and it makes the food into smaller amounts so that it's easier to swallow. The esophagus is also known as a food pipe, which connects the mouth to the stomach. It is a muscular tube, as shown here, which works in wave motions to push the food down towards the stomach. The stomach is here. This is where all the chemical digestion happens, with all the enzymes breaking down the food so it can be absorbed. The next is the pancreas, which is here, this bit here. This is where the enzymes are secreted into the stomach to break down the wall, to break down the food in the stomach, ready to be absorbed in the small intestine. Next is the gallbladder. This is this bit here. This stores bile, which is used in the breakdown of food in the stomach. Then we've got the liver. The liver is here. This makes juices that are used for digestion, such as bile. Then we've got the duodenum, which is a connection between the stomach and into the small intestines down here. This works as a passage for the food to go down before going into the small intestines, then to be absorbed into the blood. We then have the large intestine, which is round here. The large intestine is what absorbs the water from the matter and leaves the rest of the waste to go into the rectum. Then we have the small intestine, which is what is centered inside the large intestine. This is littered with villi. These are what absorb the nutrients from the waste products, and which then goes into the body. We then have the rectum. The rectum is here. This is where electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and chlorine are absorbed, and the rest is left for waste to go to the anus. Finally, we have the anus. This is where the waste products get removed from the body. This is the last part of the alimentary canal, which finishes the digestion. There are two types of digestion. This is chemical digestion and mechanical digestion. Chemical digestion is where the food is broken down by enzymes. This takes place in the stomach, as a bile breaks down the food. Mechanical digestion, however, is when the food is broken down physically. This happens in the mouth, where we chew the food into pieces that we can then swallow to go down the esophagus.